a lot of statesmen, a lot of politicians, a lot of nations leaders, they are not aware of this truth that I want to share in this video. When we talk about a country is not the land masses. A country is not a building. A country is not a name. A country is the citizen, is the people who lives in the country. And if a country wants to be better, then what they need to do is to improve the quality of life of those people who lives in the country. So if you want to build the nations, then you build the citizens of that nations. Because those are the people who make up the country. And if they become better, your country becomes better.